I'm going to go over how you can use your calculator to find the vertex of a quadratic function using the graphing feature. So I'm going to go under y equals, and we're going to type in our function, which is negative 3x squared plus 6x. Oh, careful. Go back and delete that. Plus 4. Now that we've got the equation typed in, just double check, make sure that looks right. We're going to hit the graph button. And one way we can find the vertex is using the calculate feature in the graph. So if we go to second calc, right, looking at a parabola, our parabola has a maximum. So we're going to choose option 4. If our parabola opened up, we choose option 3 to find a minimum. So we'll choose number 4 for maximum. And now we're just going to narrow the range for which the calculator is going to search for the maximum. So I'm going to get close to it. My left bound, hit enter, move a little past where I think the vertex is to set my right bound, hit enter, and then we're going to guess. So you can move around. I think the maximum is around x equals 1, and hit enter, and now it's going to solve. And looks like our maximum here, this 0.99991 comma 7, this occasionally happens. Our x value here is really 1, and another way I can check and confirm this is, remember that also we can find the vertex, we can find the x-coordinate of the vertex by using the shortcut, x equals negative b divided by 2a. So looking at our function, negative b would be negative 6. A is negative 3, so 2 times negative 3 is also negative 6. So negative b divided by 2a is going to be 1. So our maximum is going to be at 1 comma 7. Some other things that you can do is sometimes you'll notice this value might change if you change your window and get closer to where the vertex is. So if we go into window, and let's say for our x min, we don't need to go negative 10. Let's change that to 0. And maybe for the max, we'll cut it down to 2. And for the y min, it's up around 7. So how about we go, I don't know, like maybe 6 as the min and 8 as the max, so we can really focus in on where that vertex is. And use the trace feature, and well, look at that, the trace feature popped right up on 1 comma 7. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to go in second calc. I just want to see this time if I calculate the max. I'm going to go a little bit to the left, just a little bit, my left bound, go a little past that, my right bound. And sure enough, I'm going to guess it, and yeah, 1 comma 7 is my maximum. So there you go, using the calculator to search for the vertex of a parabola.